Field trip! Yay! We go to jail. Wait, what? No! I ain't going back. No, man. Jeff! I don't like this prison at all, man. It's kind of spooky, dog. Come here, prisoners. Wait, Jeff, relax. Jeff, relax, bro. What the heck, man? Chill, bro. Hey, I told you, man. Yo, 09 Moose Stick Boy over here. He's mad. Let's work together. Work together on what, bro? Just hop in the cell real quick. I am not hopping in the cell real quick, dude. Let's go home, y'all. Let's go, buddy. Yeah. Today's gonna be a wonderful day. The day after. Yeah. Wait, what's that?
Okay, Jeff,
Shit.
I'm sorry. Moose.
What's going on over there?
There's
some bushes going on. Hello? What's going on? What?
Dude.
Wait, what's this?
Jeff,
Oh my
Jeff,
God! Cycle's in the toilet! Oh no! Cycle, why are you in the toilet?
Moose, dude.
Oh, it's not.
Moose, that's not me.
Oh.
Moose.
Oh, hi, Cyclone!
I'm over here.
Pig.
Dude.
Cyclone.
Do you think I was a toilet?
This seems very suspicious. Jeff! What's going on today in daycare, buddy?
Jeff, don't do it.
Oh, nope, he's on fire. He's up. Jeff, what are you doing?
Help
what is
me,
this?
dude. You have
Do
to
not
let me
touch
out.
this Cyclops warning. Why are you in the test tube? Final
Dude, I don't
stage!
know. Wait, what do you mean final stage? Would you, Jeff? What are you gonna do?
What's going on? I'm
Okay,
kind of confused what's going on, but don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, he evolved. Oh,
Notifications.
Hey.
Wow, Jeff, you look like one of those World of Warcraft characters. Okay, so all right. Anyways, why is there a pig?
Oh, that didn't work, did it, Jeff?
What are you
That
trying to
really
accomplish
didn't
here,
work,
man?
Dude. That
Hey,
really didn't
Jeff,
work.
what are you doing?
Dude, I'm just watching Jeff fail. This is the greatest thing ever.
I'm just gonna.
dude.
Okay, what's this over here? Huh.
Moose, you have
Emergency
to help me out,
weapons.
dude.
Break glass in case of emergency.
Clone
Only one
time.
glass.
What do you
What's
mean
this?
clone time?
Clone
Jeff?
time. Jeff,
Jeff,
that
what do you mean
looks.
clone time?
Jeff, you can't. You. Jeff, chill, bro. You're pouring the whole place on fire.
Everything but me.
Yay!
Oh,
Bye, Cyclone!
Oh, why am I happy?
Oh, he's gone. Time to go. What? Cyclone? Hello?
Moose?
Where are you?
I don't know where I am. Everything's
Follow me.
like everything's white, dude.
Where are you? Jeff, what'd you do to Cyclone? I stole his DNA. What does that even mean?
No.
Oh my God! No!
Run.
What?
Moose, get inside. What? That? Hey, I don't have horns. Dude, this isn't me.
What? Ow!
In a hole.
What the heck? He threw TNT at me.
Not an exact replica.
Ow!
Nowhere near.
Oh snap! This is an emergency. We gotta break the glass.
Break it, go.
Oh,
Wait, Moose. What was the point of breaking that glass, dude?
I don't know. It was kind of there, so I just kind of with it. Yeah, it's like one of those things, you know.
Okay, dude.
Snatch short like a dwarf. Yo, Jeff, why would you make this thing, man? Yo, Jeff, these paintball guns kind of seem a little bit dangerous, man. But why? Yo, why in the world is there a massive Cyclops outside?
Dude, I don't know. That's not me, dude. Look, it has
That
horns
is
and
you.
wings. Look, that's
Exactly.
Not me.
It was just like you, bro. Look at it.
No, dude, don't do it, dude.
What?
Don't do it.
That's your twin. Jeff, why would you make an exact clone of Cyclops? One is already enough. And why does he have horns and weird-looking wings and weird-looking eyes as well? No! Bang! No! Bang! He's throwing things at me. I'm scared.
Just run, Moose.
Nope,
Just run,
nope,
dude.
I'm taking care of this, bro. Your boy crazy Moose. He gonna take care of it. Fire the Moose, bro. But it did nothing.
Oh, hi. I wasn't doing any. You just gonna
Don't question my intellect. Jeff, can you please help me stop this thing, man? Before he eats the city? How many more of these are there, huh? How many more? How many more are there, Jeff? Now tell me. Yeah. Oh, snap. This is not good. This is not. Ow! Hey! Stop it! No! Bait! Jeff, look! He's climbing the building! Another one! What do you mean another one? Jeff, what are you talking about?
Wait, why is there another one?
There's more than. Oh my God, there's two! One was enough! Oh my God. I'm so sorry about this, buddy. Jeff, this is not working at all.
You understand? They're basically me. Why are you doing that, dude? Why are you doing this?
Does that mean that if I kill the host,
No,
everyone
Moose,
goes down?
that's not what it means.
Come here!
That's
Come here,
not
Jeff!
what it means.
Jeff, help me out!
That's not what it means.
Hey! Come here! Hey!
Moose,
Where
you
did you
don't
go?
want to do this, dude. I have a snippery little clue.
Yes! Even because I'm Kobe, they all died. They didn't die. They didn't all die. This is okay. Well,
I must get my revenge on a moose.
all right. So I'm just gonna. Yeah! Nope. Yeah.
wreck, dude.
There, 3 of them. Why would you put 3, man? Jeff, what are you? Ah! Jeff, where did the other guys go? Oh, snap! Jeff, what you just throw at him, man? Did you make him more power? Jeff, stop throwing.
Jeff.
Oh my God,
What do you
this is what happens when you give a scientist.
Don't
What
go near
happened?
him, dude. He's powerful now.
Hey, Ben, Cyclopia,
Don't go near
you
him,
are
he's
Ben.
powerful
No. Why is he blowing things up now?
Really far. What?
Huh?
Bro, you
What?
can knock him back so far.
All right, I got some crazy powers, dude.
That is insane.
Hey, you won't play a game? Oh, ouch!
Boop. Wait, did he just teleport? Wait. Moose?
There's
What did
more.
I tell you?
There's-
Moose?
Oh,
Whatever you do-
snap! They're
Moose?
throwing TNT!
Moose, whatever you do, don't go near him, dude. He can throw TNT.
They are blowing things up, man. How do we? Ah! What
Dude,
the heck?
get inside and stay inside.
This is so bad.
Stay inside.
This
Stay
is so
inside.
bad.
I have a plan. Follow me. Ready? 3, 2,
Where you going?
1. Banana!
Oh, no. You know what? I'm just gonna take a nice backup, and I'm gonna call it a day. That was,
Moose, we can take them out if you believe in yourself,
Babe.
dude.
They are so ugly, just like the host body.
Hey,
he's
they're
getting
not
really
ugly.
technical. Ow! Yo, let's get him to blow up the laboratory. Maybe if he blows up the cloning machine, that means they kind of like stop themselves, you know?
Maybe, I guess. That makes no sense, but yes, let's try it.
Exactly. That's supposed to make sense.
Oh, no.
Breakfast. Come here, you noob. I made a cloning machine. You don't get it, do you? Oh, I can clone anything. Oh, so if I just do one of these.
Wait, you can literally clone anything.
Does that mean you can clone me? Can I be like a
Wait.
giant moose in that giant MooseCraft?
Wait, you can make giant MooseCraft?
Really? Yeah, let's do it. Here we go. Let's go to the cloning machine. Come here, buddy. Let's go see what you got, man. Okay, hey, Piggy, I'm so... I broke the cloning.
Huh.
Cyclone?
What did you do?
I see everything you're doing. Cyclone?
What do you mean? What?
Cyclone, I see you.
No, you don't. Go away.
Cyclone, why is it that everything that bad happens to you? You are behind it. Cyclone, I just exposed you. I see you. Cyclone, you cannot clone me with that crazy clone tool. Put it down. Ready?
A figment of your imagination, dude.
What is going on here? Is that my the only normal one? Well, I'm still being crazy. Is that what's going on, man?
10, 2.
I see you.
4. No, you don't. I'm just doing numbers because I like.
Why are you counting down?
Don't worry about it.
Oh
5.
my God. Hey, what are you doing?
4.
Hey, clone.
3.
That's stop me. Ow! Stop, guys.
Moose, don't do that, dude. Come on.
I'm not doing anything. There's another one. Ow!
Dude, he got blown up.
I don't see nothing. I just see a Steve.
Oh,
I see
no,
an
I
ugly
keep
looking
on.
Steve.
Oh, no. Okay. I might be getting attacked a lot right now.
No, bait. Dude.
Okay.
Yo, what are you guys doing? You guys are making the whole entire place go boom, boom, man. Look at this, man.
1, 2. Okay.
What are you doing?
Okay.
What are you doing?
Hey, what? Hey?
Are you seriously helping Jeff
Hey?
out? Why are you two working together, man? I know you guys made this
I'm
clone.
just working against you,
You guys are trying to prank me, aren't you? You trying to prank me, you nuts.
Hey, Moose,
It's a
can you
big
just come to me
Jeff.
real quick,
Oh,
dude? I
God.
need to show you a magic trick, okay? No.
Ah!
Okay, it hurts me.
Oh, snap. Oh, no.
No, Moose is coming for
They're
me.
grabbing my moose!
Oh, it's apparently really easy to kill.
Ah, no!
Oh, it's back! It's throwing blocks!
Why are you throwing blocks? You're fake. You're not real.
It's
Ah!
the real MooseCraft. You don't even. Oh no, there's too many of them. Moose, they're everywhere.
I am so done with this, and this is not going anywhere. I need an escape
Everywhere.
plan.
You have an escape plan?
Yeah! Big fist. Bah!
Da,
Oh, man.
da.
Oh.
Da,
Yow!
da.
Hey.
Hey!
Guys! Stop this
Moose!
madness.
Oh,
Get rid of these clones.
I keep getting wrecked, dude.
Ow!
I keep getting wrecked, dude. Whereabouts are you?
You getting wrecked?
Ow. Dude, I'm getting wrecked. We need to regroup. We need to regroup, dude. Whereabouts are you right now?
Bait!
No.
Oh, he's gone. There's so many things outside me. I'm so scared, bro. I'm just a
even know.
lonely moose.
Hold
I'm
me,
just a
scared,
lonely
Moose. Hold me, I'm
moose.
scared.
Living in a cube world.
I have an idea.
I took the moose back. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah.
Pretty simple.
Nice. You know what? I gotta get out of here, man. You guys having fun? You better. I'm not having fun. The whole daycare's blown up, and I'm stuck here, man. Let me just tell you that. So I'm gonna just. Okay.
PP, it's MooseCraft. Hey,
what are you doing?
Moose! Hey,
What?
Moose!
What do you want? Oh,
Punch me once. Punch me. I need to show you a magic trick, dude. Trust me. No, not with the rocket launcher. No, Moose.
What?
Moose.
What's wrong?
Just give me a tap to the face, dude. Just right. Listen, I need to show you a magic trick. Just one. That's not what I meant.
Yo, why are there so many bobs
I
over
have
here?
4 bobs. Hi.
Oh, that's so cute, Cyclops. You know what?
Oh,
I got
5.
you. I'll help you out, but
No.
get it where the bobs!
No!
Oh,
That's
stop!
not gonna work. Bobs are overpowered, dude. You can't destroy bobs. Okay. Where did you go?
Jeff, what are you doing? Jeff, what are you doing, buddy?
Jeff, why did you say bye?
Hey,
Jeff, you can't delete bobs with an NPC cloner.
Come on, reload it. There we go.
Uh,
Hey, I ain't listening to you guys. I'm out of here, man. You guys are never gonna take me out because I'm the crazy MooseCraft and I will forever be up and I'm dead. This is not how it worked out. Okay, you know what? Oh, I have an idea. I know how to take out the bobs. Guys, I know how to take out the bobs. You ever watch this video? Ow!
Hey, Moose! There's a lot of cyclones still.
Come on, let's go, guys. Follow me. Come here. Bring Bob over here.
Why?
Yes!
They're overpowered. You can't escape them. I even
Yes!
speed
Bob!
255.
Fight the moose! Oh, Bob is fighting the Oh, and I'm dead again. I am dead again. Nice. Wonderful.
I feel like Cyclone might be a little bit too overpowered, and yes, I was talking about myself.
Oh! You know what? This is eatable! This is going nowhere. So, as a result, what I'm going to do is do my famous magic trick. I call this fixing a problem by causing more problems. That didn't work.
I was just going to use my hack commands.
I'm just going to do one of these. Oh, my God. They're fighting Bob. Bob is dead.
No. Bob, fight back.
Look at this. They're fighting Bob.
Fight back.
Look at this. Oh, this is awesome. Now, let me just fix the problem. Okay, summon. Okay, Minecraft.
I need you to end this, dude. They're killing Bob.
Gotcha, dude. So I'm just going to go to summon like 20 withers. All right.
Why is there a
now,
lot of withers?
what I'm also going to do is put
you
down
understand, withers won't do anything. The withers are very underpowered compared
now,
to these guys.
what I'm going to do is spawn a bunch of TNT. All right, so much TNT there. Ooh, kill him. Wither, come on.
You understand all the
God.
withers are going to die, right?
No, they are beautiful and they look amazing. Hey, as long as they take you out, that's all that matters, man. Now we're just gonna do one of these.
Dude, what do you mean take me out? Aren't we aiming for the... Dude, they can't even take out a single Bob. I doubt they can take out a giant cyclone.
Don't worry. They can take out anything they can imagine, bro. All right, I got you, man. Let's do one of these. Okay, now if we just do this correctly and we just get ourselves a lever, oh, we gotta do...
What?
It worked! It did not work. It's,
I feel
okay,
like
well, after about a couple of hours of trying to get these things taken out, I'm going to spawn some more withers, and I'm going to make an escape plan.
Oh, dude, there's only one of them left. Dude, there's only one of them left, and he's fighting like 50 withers.
Oh, snap, check it out.
Dude.
Yo, look at this guy, check it out. Yo, he's fighting all the withers. Can he kill the withers? Yo, he's got no chance, bro. He ain't got no chance. Look at him, bro. He's holding in there. Up by cyclone! Hey! Yeah! Wow, they're still going. Okay, well, anyways, watching this video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I don't know what's going on anymore. The daycare is going to be destroyed. There's withers everywhere, and there's Bob trying to attack things. And also, there is still an evil cyclone. So I just want to say thanks so much for watching for another daycare video. And I'll see you all tomorrow with a brand new video. And let's get 20,000 likes to bring back Brick Boss. Woo! Subscribe and subscribe. Bye!